Are you dreaming of starting an online business, but you get overwhelmed because you don't have any experience? In this video, I'll show you how to start your first online business the easy way, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick around because these tips could change your life. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to launch a simple, beginner-friendly online business. You'll learn the tools you need to get started and how to build confidence while taking action. If I can do it, you can do it. If you're feeling unsure and intimidated by the thought of starting something new, I understand. I was in your shoes too. But I'm part of a community of over 40,000 people who have followed a proven blueprint and have launched their own online businesses, and I see evidences of wins every single day. And now I help people just like you create profitable online businesses. You don't need to have experience yet. You just need to have the right guidance and the right steps to follow. I don't know if this is for you or not, but if you're getting excited about what you're hearing, comment online business below and I'll send you my free guide to get started with more details. It's a free resource, so if you want it, I'll send it your way. All right, let's talk about point 1. When starting an online business, it's important to pick the right business model. The right business model sets the foundation for your success. Different business models include affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, which is also known as MLM, drop shipping, print on demand, selling digital products. Those are just some examples, and a lot of them I've done. So I can tell you firsthand about most of them. You want to select one model that matches your interests and your skills, and then commit to learning about it. The second thing that's important in starting an online business is to leverage free tools. You don't want to invest in too many things that you have to pay for right up front, because you want to take advantage of the free resources out there and really find out what you're going to use in your own business. Start with free apps like Canva and free social media sites. You can do your marketing on Instagram, for example. And start with these free options and really get a feel for which ones you're going to use and which ones you feel comfortable with. The third important point when starting an online business is find one where you can be earning while you're learning. So something that you can set up quickly and start earning right away, but you can also learn more and more about the industry you're in and build your business as you go along. You don't need to know everything to start making money. You can learn as you go and improve over time. The best online businesses, though, are the ones that you can launch quickly and then refine based on feedback. If any of this is making sense and you're ready to take the next step, comment online business below and I will send you a more detailed guide, a step-by-step guide of how to get this started. All right, on to point 4. When starting an online business, when you're using social media, just pick one social media platform to get started with. Really master that one social media platform before you start branching off into other ones, because otherwise you may get very overwhelmed and that may cause burnout. You can find out which social media site your perfect customer is most active on and then stick with that one. You can use different analytical sites to help you with that based on your niche and your perfect customer. Whether your customer is in a certain stage of life or a certain age group or a certain gender, really master that one platform before you start expanding. By starting with just one platform, you're going to create more consistent content and have more consistent customers because they're going to know where to find you. And you're going to get better and better at connecting with your perfect customer based on which platform you're on, whether you're on YouTube or whether you're on Instagram or TikTok. You'll be able to connect with your customer based on which platform you're on and based on what kind of content you're making on each of those platforms. All right, my last point in starting an online business is build confidence through action. You are not going to get started if you don't get started. Confidence comes from doing, not overthinking. When you first get started, celebrate your small wins. I'll celebrate them with you. Celebrate the first time that you post. Celebrate your first customer. The first time you get to go live. All those things, celebrate them. I want to cheer you on at each milestone, no matter how small. If you're ready to take action and move on to the next step, comment online business below and I will get you some more detailed information. There also may be another video on the screen that you can go to, packed with even more tips to help you on your online business journey. That's packed with even more tips to help you on your online business journey.